Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix if can't receive text messages on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, go to app library, click on settings app. After click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and click on messages app. And click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset and reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.